So we will be starting with the cube for the cupboard that we are going to be making. So it's going to be a basic cupboard. We don't have to put too much of it. So just increase the size. Okay. And go on the sides view. Reduce the Y section a little bit bigger, but that's enough. Okay. And pretty much you're done. And just hold on a minute. And put a duplicate. Grab C. Okay. And in this one, we're going to be putting the bevel of the edges. Okay, so tab, second one, and bevel. Okay, so we don't need to put too much of it, so if you can make it, that would be very nice. Bevel. We don't need to put it. Okay, so just you can put in this part also, but I don't think so it's necessary. So it's up to you if you want to put it, but I think that's pretty much okay. Okay, so in this one we're going to be putting a mirror modifier. Okay, where is the one? Okay, so just hold on. Okay, so we will reduce the size. Grab X. Okay, grab Y. Grab Y. Alright, so that's pretty much, don't need to do anything in this, and that's it. And then grab X. That's pretty much. Alright, so put in this one, grab Z. Okay, grab X. Has to look normal. Okay, so pretty much, so that's alright. Grab Y. That's it. So your object is perfectly fine. So what we will do, we'll go in the object mode and then apply it. So you have the thing here. We will put the bevel here. I made a mistake here, just hold on a minute. Okay, so I didn't uploaded it, so tab. Perfect. So what we will do, bevel. How many things you will do? 10 segments, alright? In this one, bevel, 10 segments, alright? Just put it in this section so you can actually see it. Control bevel, just little bit. Okay, so 10. Okay, bevel, that's you're done. Okay, that's it, because from the side it looks nice. Okay, so what you will do, we will put the duplication and then face selection mode, put it a tab here, another tab here, increase the size. So yeah, that one. Okay, so just reduce the size of it and reduce the size of this now. Okay, and once you do that, you put one more modifier, subdivision surface modifier. Okay, so I'll get rid of transparent section. Okay, our edit mode, go again transparent, and then just put on this. Okay, and in this one, pretty much, so you're done with this. That's pretty much you need to do. So just put the thing is to 1, 2, 3. All right, here's the size of it. So when you put in the front section, so when you go there, it looks quite normal. Okay, you can actually put it in the thing because it's look a little bit, that looks nice. Yeah, I think that's perfect. So we will do what? We'll okay, so just put this in the corner so it's hidden. I'm just trying to make a random thing, so it looks nice. I think that's pretty much okay. We don't need to have too much of it. Okay, so just apply it, go in the edit mode. Okay, and then apply it. It's a basic cover, so that's pretty much okay. So get rid of this one. So your cupboard is ready. Okay, and in this one we will go in the edit mode. Okay, so just one more thing. Yeah, that's pretty much you have to do it here. You don't need to do anything. Okay, so what we will do, we'll go in this one, extrude. Okay, so hold on a minute. Make it equal. Extrude and then small. Remember, the scale is 0.0908. okay, so when you're going to be selecting the other one, that's the same one, extrude, then size small, 908. Okay, so this is pretty much you're done. Okay, so when you do this one, select both of them and go in this thing and then grab Y little bit and then increase the size of it. So pretty much you're done. So reduce the size on the X. So we just need to make it so. Okay, so this is pretty much done. So in this one, what we will do, go in the object mode and go in the subdivision surface modifier. Okay, tab. Okay, so what we will be doing, we will be adding, I'm just trying to check if it can go in this. So let me check if it's alright. I don't know, I mean, I'm just trying to see if it's okay. Otherwise, I think it's better to just leave it like that, because, you know, I think it's not that bad. We can bevel this part. Just hold on a minute and then bevel it. Okay, so just put 10, it's fine, and your table is done actually, basically. So when you're gonna go in the front section, just select this one, this wash basin. Okay, go on the edit mode and then select this one, grab X. Okay, grab X. You can put any wire, I think this is fine. Grab Z. Okay, and then in the 3 section, this is pretty much you're done. It looks like this. So we can join these two as single. So your object is ready. I think it's better just leave it like that, because the finishing will not be there. I don't like this one, Blender Alpha. I'm gonna be using the old one because it's hanging every time. I don't know why. Just hold on a minute and then we will put this separately. I have no idea why it's hanging. The another one, the common one, the Blender common, that's normal one. That's perfectly fine. That doesn't hang. I don't know why. I think I will delete this shitty. See, it's still hanging. This is perfectly fine. We will rename this as the cupboard. Okay. Alright, so this is your done. Your cupboard is ready. And this one, I don't know what is this. Okay, these and this should be a single one. It should be joined. So your cupboard is ready. Okay, so just put it under the wash basin. Okay, commode is also ready. You have seen it. So what we will be doing, we have to just arrange it in the room. Hold on a minute. Rotate 90. Okay, 90. Okay, so grab Y. That's pretty much you're done. You know, that's the way the room looks like. So let me get the room open. Okay, so before you do anything, just on the tab mode, okay, so we need to have 2 cuts in this, like a room, the door, okay, and just hold on a minute. That's the bathroom looks like. So we will get rid of the face here. Face, okay. So in the transparent section, what we will do, we will select everything and grab and then Z. Hold on, it's perfectly on the, it has to be on the X axis. Okay, so pretty much you're done. Bathroom. Little bit unwell, so let me just hold on a minute. Grab Y. Okay, grab C. So this has to be on the top of each other. Grab Z. Okay, so this pretty much is done. Grab X. Because we don't need to put too much of it. Why is coming with that? Okay, so Okay, so I think that's pretty much, and then we will increase it like this. Much more so we can see. Tab X. Tab C. This is a problem here. This version is very big problematic. Okay, so just hold on a minute. It's hanging back and forth. I don't know why. The other ones is perfectly fine. Anyhow, so your thing is done basically. Okay, this is your wash basin here, and this is your bathroom here. Okay, and if you go there, if you get rid of this transparent section, okay, what we will do, we will get rid of this wall X here face, so we can see the bathroom. Okay. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so I have done the basic things, and we will add the tub as well. So what we will do, we will grab and then Z. Grab and then Z. Okay. Increase the size. It has to increase because a little bit. Okay, and grab Y. Size small. Grab C. That's pretty much, you know. So okay, so just hold on a minute. Grab X. Okay, so your thing is actually perfectly looking, obviously, you know, like a normal bathroom shower. Okay, this is what the bathroom is, and let's just hope for wait for the next step, and then we will go on the part 3 of this series. Okay, so we will discuss the interior and the mirror, so just hang on for the third part of the series. Okay.